First of welcome. It's a very tricky issue. I had Manoj Parab some time back in the studio, and Manoj has made all his spirited arguments that you know. How are you looking at this issue? Because there are three aspects to it. One is the legal aspect, second is the social aspect, and third obviously is the political aspect. How are you looking at all these aspects of this very, very complicated issue?
According to me, legally, it may not be possible to stop any person from contesting elections if he is on the electoral roll. It is not that people have not been contesting. In Panjim City Corporation, we have people who have got elected who are sort of migrants. In panchayats like Sankwad, Porvari, we have people who have got elected who are migrant. But the issue this time is a unwarranted interference by the Kannada Mahasangh. According to me, I do not know why there was need for them to take a stand that they would officially contest elections. See, there are so many issues in our state and in our country. We have unemployment, our economy is poor, our rupee is falling. So taking all that into account, I somehow get a feeling whether he is acting on behalf of the government to divert attention of the people so that people do not take up issues which they have to take and unnecessarily get diverted to these tactics. So I find this as a pure diversionary tactic or a political move by the Mahasangh, but I can't understand the logic because people have always been contesting and winning elections wherever they are popular. And because the Mahasangh is now not contesting elections, according to me, popular persons in the ward are certainly going to contest on their own independently.
But the question is, and Manoj also made this point, he highlighted two crucial issues. One is the social issue. He said that our demographic is such that if you start contesting as a panel or a party from a particular region which is not in Goa, and if you start making groups of people who have come from outside Goa, it is going to lead to huge social unrest. That's point one. So let's talk about that and then go further. How do you look at it?
See, for a small state like Goa, we must not get overwhelmed. This is one issue. But that not getting overwhelmed will not apply only to such issues. Like take the case of an industry which is much bigger than the budget of Goa. See, even that should not be permitted. But we have to take into consideration that our people have been getting elected in Bombay. See, our people have been getting elected in the Maharashtra Assembly, in the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Karwar people have been getting elected sometimes in the Konkani Panchayat. So this has been going on. But I would say we should not get overwhelmed. But this entire anti-migrant stand of Manoj Parab, I don't think is in proper spirit. See, there have been always groups at the national level. Akali Dal is there in Punjab. Jammu and Kashmir, we have National Conference. We have DMK in Tamil Nadu, which have been strong regional groups. But these groups...
Espousing the native cause.
Espousing the native cause. And the native cause has never taken the stand of anti-migrants. See, Shiv Sena did it in Maharashtra. But the sole migrant plank did not take them beyond Mumbai and Thane. Now, they required Hindutva, conversions, Bhiwandi riots, the Hindu-Muslim conflict, for them to rise up or become pan-Maharashtra party. But the regional issue...
Beyond that identity politics.
Beyond that, they did not grow. And despite the fact that Bal Thackeray invested so much in the organization, he could not grow beyond Bombay and Thane.